Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In today's video, we'll be grinding the raid farm. And what are we doing? Okay. We'll be grinding the raid farm for today's video. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The server's still active all because of me. Yeah, I know guys. I'm very popular. Uh-oh.
Sure, bro.
Okay, I'm popular. Oh my god. Why can't I hit that? So why are they not dropping? Is it because of the fatty?
What?
I swear, bro, stop jumping! Finally. Okay, we got one.
Lance, anong mga potions gagawin ko?
Swiftness, strength, regeneration.
Hindi ko pwedeng gawin yung regeneration.
Ano? Basta strength at swiftness.
Ayaw mo gumawa ng ano, Lance? Yung infestation?
Sige, gawa ka kung kaya mo. Ano naman gagawin ng infestation?
Para, di ka ba gagawa ng ano? XP farm?
Sige, pwede naman. Hey guys. Yo, we're getting a lot of totems right now. Okay. We got totems. Oh wait, why am I hitting it with the stick? Why am I hitting it with the meat?
Pupunuin ko muna yung strength and...
I don't know, Mashi. I don't know. Joke lang.
Sinasabi ko lang!
Joke lang ha, joke lang. Kukulit na ito ha. Oh, you see the flash guys. Let's wait for all of them to drop down. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't all of them. Oh, yo. Actually, we're getting kinda tough right now. Yo, why am I getting this? Yun, bow and arrow, di that ng bow and arrow. Masi-search ka kung paano makagawa ng ano. Poison.
May bow and arrow talaga tayo.
Hindi, yung may ano.
Ano?
Yung may bow and arrow na may poison, tapos weakness, tapos slowness. Gawa ka ng ano, bow and arrow na may weakness. Search nga kung paano.
Ito. Potion of healing na lang kaya, Lance.
Ha?
Potion of healing na lang.
Yung instant heal.
Sige.
Yung instant heal.
Oo nga!
Wag. Di naman, ano yun.
Okay.
Matitake up siya yung space sa inventory. Dapat madami ko yung totems. Madami ko yung strength potions. Tapos, swiftness. Tapos, in this, fire pot. Madami. Dapat,
Huwag na mag-heal.
Oo, huwag na mag-heal. Basta, magawa ka na ng golden apples. Ang nakakatulong yung golden apples.
Okay.
Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry. You guys, we need to stop burping. Okay, guys. Part 2.
Fast, invisibility, strength,
I'm gonna eat.
Okay, kuya.
stiffness.
Eat well, kuya. Yeah,
Eva, eat well!
Sige, wow. Sige, Masi.
Bye.
Sige, Masi, ha. Ginagawa mo ang bakla, ha. Sige. Ba't nag-leave siya?
Nakain siya, syempre. Sa tingin mo. Joke lang yun, Lansa.
Sige, washing machine.
Joke lang.
Washing machine, sige.
Sabi niya lang sa, ay,
Ah, sige, malansa. Malansa, sige. Sige, lancer. Ay, lancer.
Buisit ka, you want, I will freaking kill you, bro.
Me too. I will kill you, man.
I feel like, bro, I make 30 potions by the minute.
by the
Alright.
minute.
By
By
the
the minute.
minute. By the minute. By the minute. By the minute. I'm sorry. Okay, this is round 3 raid. Look, we have almost a stack. I mean, magkakaroon na tayo ng mayaman. Mayaman talaga tayo.
Anong meron dyan, Lance?
Madami, ano ka, mag-cash yung more brain.
Ah, okay. Marami tayo totems.
Oo, ang dami. Ang dami, ang dami, ang dami, ang dami.
Uwe?
Oo, beshi ka talaga na. Wow, ang ganda. Ang galing, slay queen. Ang galing. Uy, may 25 emeralds ako, guys. Alam ko naman mayaman ako. Hindi, joke lang, pulubi ako, guys. Yo.
Lance, I need gunpowder.
Ang dami naman dyan. Yo.
Where?
Sa raid farm, punta ka sa raid farm. Yeah, oh wait, the Vexes are gonna spawn here.
Wala man talaga.
Tingin ka sa baba.
Ay, naman, ang dami nga.
Ilan?
Ewan ko.
May glowstone pa nga dyan eh.
I-balance.
Hmm?
Tanggalin ko yung ibang hindi kailangan.
Sige.
Isa ko na lang tong glass na to.
Parang XP farm lang to eh. Ano? Ito, gunpowder, dalawa.
Lance, kasi ang hirap sigurin na hindi ka nalulunod.
Hindi ka naman malulunod doon. Click mo kapag nahulog ka. Oh, hindi ka naman malulunod dun eh. Oh, sige, baba. Hindi ka naman malulunod ka agad.
Talaga.
Hindi ka naman malulunod ka agad.
Dami ng totems, Lance.
Ang kulit na eh. Tapos madami pa sa inventory ko.
Uy?
Oh.
Oh yan, nalulunod na
Oh,
ako.
kasalanan mo
Ako din,
eh.
ako din.
Mabagal ka eh. Sa taas pa. Meron ka. Ito
Ay,
Masi.
shucks, oo nga no.
Oh, hero of the village.
Ang dami nga.
Ito Masi oh. Tama to.
Ano? Ay, gago. Lala! Lala mo lang sa ako.
Siyempre, oh pa. Yo, ang dami! Yo, buddy! I have a full inventory of totems. Yo. Mas ang dami pa ng emeralds. Yo, screenshot ka to guys.
Uy, grabe, Lance. Ang dami nga.
Totem?
Kunin mo yung emeralds.
Yo, we're getting rich.
Lance, ikaw na lang kumuha sa
Waiting.
totem.
See guys, that's the end of the video. That's a raid farm where I show, I mean, okay guys, that's the end of the video. Goodbye
Guys, ikaw na
there.
lang.
Just lang, I'm
Ikaw na lang
joking.
kumuha.
Guys, goodbye.